Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Seriously stocks selling a BOE both pages. Sydney returns ASEAN share market surged on Thursday after Britain's central bank launched an emergency bond buying program to stabilize a furious sell-off in gilt stock. Trade was skittish and sterling remained under pressures. The Bank of England said it will buy as much as 5.4 billion a day of long-dated government bonds until October 14. It spent about £1 billion on Wednesday, and 30-year gilt yields fell 105 basis points (bps), the biggest drop ever according to Revenue record stretching back to 1992. The move built sterling and over some self to fractures mode in markets, but by mid-afternoon in Tokyo, the pound was struggling for support and down 1% at 1.0776. MSCI's Broadex Index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan was up 0.5%, more muted than a 2% surge on Wall Street overnight. Japan's Nikkei 0.9%, S&P 500 futures fell 0.2%, European futures rose 0.6%, and FTSE futures lift 0.3%. It's all a bit of a mess, said ANZ economist Finn Robinson. How long the calm and fresh optimism lasts remains to be seen. For one, the re-stimulation will lift on not quell United Kingdom inflation, and that's bad for bonds and sterling. The fallout from unfunded tax cuts announced in Britain last week has reverberated across financial markets after setting off a collapse in British asset prices. The BOE intervention follows steps in Korea, India, and Indonesia to stabilize their financial markets this week as the United States dollar rate broadly. China's central bank says stabilizing the forex exchange market is the top priority as the yuan hangs around its lowest level since the financial crisis CNY. Later on Thursday, investors' focus will be on three banks. Bank of England speakers, media appearances from British Prime Minister Liz Truss, German inflation data, and Federal Reserve speakers. Note that nothing has fundamentally changed other than a circuit breaker provided by BOE, said DBS rates strategist engine law in Singapore. Strong dollar. United States Treasuries rebounded in sympathy with gilts on Wednesday, and benchmark 10-year yields fell more than 20 basis points before creeping up to 3,818% in Asia. A drop in the dollar was also unwinding. The United States dollar index had its worst session in 2 years on Wednesday, calling from record height, but the greenback found bears all in Asia, grinding the index up by 0.5% to 113.56 FRX. The euro fell about 0.7%, the Australian dollar fell 0.8%, the kiwi fell 1%. Russia is about to annex a swathe of Ukraine, a step to extending its nuclear umbrella over them. The United Union suspects sabotage of gas pipes beneath the Baltic Sea. Concerns over growth in China, the Eurozone, and various other economies have been underpinning demand for the dollar for March, says Rabobank FX strategist Jan Vallée, who has a target for 0.95. The on the euro and sees a risk is gas even lower. I think that's all maybe from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.